All right, I'm Keith Maston with the WNC Nature Center. Our facility has been here for or since 1925, and our primary mission is to educate the general public in regards to wildlife and having a sustainable life within the Appalachian ecosystem with all of these animals. Here at the center we have approximately 140 wildlife, and they're all native to this area. So we strive to bring in animals that have been orphaned, injured, or humanized. We don't go out into the wilderness to capture animals and bring them in just for human entertainment. Our animals are non-releasable, so they stay with us until it's time for them to be moving on to the next area. Our hope is that with the 130,000 people that we get here, that we are going to be able to communicate with approximately 35,000 students through school systems to let them know about wildlife, especially that wild animals do not make good pets. And that they need to remain wild. That's why they're called wildlife. So that's one of our big missions, and also to allow people to understand that humans do have a very strong impact on animal populations, and we'll talk about that, especially with our red wolves. When we talk about animals or wildlife, we often find that the animals are under such great scrutiny from the general public or from the government. Historically, the wolves have been eliminated from a huge portion of the United States because of misinformation, belief systems, and stories that have just been passed down through generations that these animals have been human consumers, and they've taken children away and eaten tons of livestock, and so their numbers have been decimated. Our government actually encouraged people to go out there and get red wolves and gray wolves, and would pay these individuals for the pelts of these animals. So that was just misinformation. These animals, there are no more in the wild other than Alligator River National Wildlife Refuge, which is located on the outer banks of North Carolina. There are approximately 400 on our planet. Back in 1980, there were only 17 that were brought in from the wild that were genetically proved to be purebred red wolves. So we are one of 43 sites that breeds the red wolf, and we're so happy to have had 19 pups born here at the center to help bring this population back so we can put them back into the wild at some point. What we also hope to pass on to individuals is being involved with our environment and being involved with organizations such as the Red Wolf Coalition, the WNC Nature Center, the Friends of the Nature Center, World Wildlife Fund. All of these organizations would definitely appreciate support financially, but also just volunteering your time at facilities that deal with wildlife conservation can have a really huge impact. We also hope that individuals will come out to the Nature Center to see our facility and learn about these animals. And then, of course, supporting our legislators who have a statement or have a mission in order to save or protect our wildness throughout the country is really important. So you can get involved with your local and state officials to support them.